Hello, and thank you for joining me this evening. I have made a December daily mini album, and it's really cute. It's not finished yet. I still want to add some day numbers to it and some tags and things of that nature. But before I do that, I wanted to share it with you and kind of get your opinion on what I should add. Okay, so it's an adorable front cover. But wait until you see what it does. Right here, on the back of the inside page is a battery pack, which you can pull in and out pretty easy. But when you turn it on, the lights go on. It's got 3 settings. One's brighter than the others. And I'm going to turn off the lights just so you can see. I don't think anyone has ever made a December daily that's got lights on it. I just did. This is one of those LED light sets. I purchased mine from a place called Trees and Trends that went out of business a couple years ago. And these things were $12.50 a piece, and I think I got them for like $2 a piece, and I bought a bunch of them. So anyway, when you do open the cover, I've made a little pocket to hold the battery pack, and you just slip it in and out. It takes a little force. I want it tight enough to where it's not going to just come loose. And I have a small thumbtack right there that is holding the whole mechanism in place as well, just to keep it from shifting too much. And then the pages right now are real simple. I have different shapes, different sizes, different ends. All of it's distressed. The page sizes vary in width and in height. And if it sticks a little bit and you've been making one, use your anti-static powder tool. It'll just kind of help keep it from sticking if there's any residue left over. Now this one over here is a pocket. It's got a magnet. And so you just open this up and you can put a tag or pictures or whatever inside. Just close that back up. Then some smaller pages. I wanted to keep this very kind of whimsical and loose. Lots and lots of music paper. There were a few pages like this one that when I went to punch them, they didn't punch evenly. Or they were too long or something else was wrong, so I cut them off. And I didn't even take the time to make sure that they were perfect. I want this, once again, to be very homemade. Then that little page, and then here's the back cover. It's also a pocket. Well, kind of a pocket. It's more of a tuck spot. So when you open this up, you can put something here, and then it's a magnetic closure for that one as well. And so that's a little book. Let me know in the comment section down below how you would finish this. Let's pull out a few things here. The paper pack collection is from Echo Park, and it's one of their newer collections. But I was thinking like little tags to just tuck in. This is a pocket as well, I think, yeah. And so just randomly tuck some pockets in. Excuse me, randomly tuck some tags into place. And I'm also going to be cutting some larger tags to go in the larger pockets. But should I put the numbers in, or should I put that in the package for the person who's going to receive it to make it their own December daily? Please let me know down below. I'm going to turn off the lights, the studio lights again, so you can see the Christmas lights on the tree. It is absolutely spectacular. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share my videos on your social media. Have a great afternoon, everyone. Stay happy, be a blessing. Take care. Bye for now.